Guangzhou Dimei Brand Management Company Limited has specialized in the research and development, production, and sales of beauty devices. With 18 years of industry experience and technical accumulation, we are committed to providing global customers with high-quality beauty devices and services. Our products have passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485, EU3C, CE, and many other international certifications. With a team of over 20 senior engineers, we have applied for more than 300 patents and developed several market-leading beauty devices, including the Reskin Non-Invasive Hydrating Series, 808 Hair Removal Series, Photoelectric Skincare Series, Body Slimming Series, all highly praised by the market. The manufacturing and supply chain covers an area of 6,000 square meters, has more than 200 senior technicians, and is equipped with advanced production equipment and mature process flow. The production strictly follows ISO certification standards. With an annual production capacity of 100,000 units, we meet diverse OEM and ODM customization needs. Our domestic and foreign trade elite business team is proficient in multilingual services, responding to customer needs 24 hours a day, ensuring direct communication between sales and factory to achieve higher efficiency. We actively participate in global exhibitions such as the Asia-Pacific Beauty Show and the Canton Fair. Over the years, it has become the preferred supplier of many first-line brands in the industry.